So, Mr. Sunil, how did you get your first client?
Mr. Michael from Connecticut visited our website on a Monday morning. He required our services for the bookkeeping, accounting, and reconciliation. He was our first client and we learned a lot from him. He was running his family business of accounting for the last 18 years. He was looking for an outsourced bookkeeping services which may provide him the accounting, bookkeeping, and reconciliation for his clients. His main objective was he did not want to compromise on the quality of work. He did not want to compromise on the data security of his clients. And at the same time, he wanted the cost cutting for his clients. He wanted us to manage their accounting, reconciliation, payroll processing, and 1099 processing for their landscaping business and other business clients. He used to collect the payroll hours manually from the landscaping business sites, and at the same time, he wanted us to process the payroll hours at the same time overnight. He was one of our first clients, and we were not conversant with their payroll processes. Mr. Michael's mother, Mrs. Connie Ferreira, she took a session with us and we stayed till 2 a.m. along with my two employees. We learned the process and adopted quickly. We used to work for long time, sometimes even at 2 a.m. in the morning. It helped us in the long run. We were able to provide satisfactory results to the client. It was a satisfaction to us. As the work expanded with them, we upgraded our computers and got faster internet connection. I estimate the speed of internet at that time was 2 Mbps, and the speed increased thereafter. The IT sector in India at that time had already passed its initial stages. We were fortunate enough at that time that we have crossed that phase and we landed in that age. We get the benefit that our predecessor has provided quality services to their clients, and we were fortunate that we got new clients on basis of the hard work done by our predecessor in India.
Sunil, tell us about your experience with first non CPA clients.
It was in 2006, Brave Indoor Shooting from Florida approached us by email. They need complete accounting solution including their inventory management. They were using QuickBook Desktop Enterprise version. In this assignment, a part of our job was to keep track of inventory and which included ammunition. They were using the point of sale system. They were using QuickBook Desktop Enterprise version for their accounting, and later in 2021 they shifted to Azera software. And one of the other things I remember, their sale was included sales receipts as well as the service income. We needed to pull the inventory reports at every month end at end of their business hours. It was an important assignment, and we need to be in time. And we are happy to say that we never failed in pulling this inventory report. In the initial years, there were 5 computers in our office with the limited manpower. Later in 2008, we grew to 10 computers as the more persons came in as our staff has increased. The HR department, IT department, accounting technical department, these all were headed by me as I led from the front. We carried out the work at client's computer as per client instructions. To assess the client computer, we use the latest technology like remote desktop, log me in, etc. Client instruction was clear that their information should not leave United States. To achieve that purpose, we used the double monitor system. We ensured that we remained a paperless office. We ensured that full confidentiality is ensured up to the satisfaction of client. I think there was one more business which was engaged in similar accounting BPO in Punjab at that time, and it was based in Ludhiana at that time.
How CPAs, accounting firms, our target clients may get benefit from our services in tax season of January to April.
In the tax season of January to April every year, there is sudden and heavy workload on the CPA and other accounting firms. The reason is a lot of small business clients have pending write ups, cleanups, and reconciliation work. The CPAs and accounting firms need expert, timely help. It will be great if such solution is cost effective as well. Outsourced bookkeeping provides specialized accounting and bookkeeping services in the tax season of January to April. We provide services of write up, cleanup, and reconciliation services in the tax season, besides round the year regular services. We provide expert services in a timely and cost effective manner. Many CPAs are engaged in providing small business accounting and bookkeeping services. Many others do not involve themselves with serving small business accounting, but still they want to earn from the small business bookkeeping. The reason is they have sufficient links to attract the small businesses for their bookkeeping needs. In both the cases, we, outsource bookkeeping, are best choice for you. Also, there is a myth, and many CPAs think that outsourced bookkeeping is their competitor. But it is nothing more than a misinformation or a myth. The truth is, our outsourced bookkeeping services are tailor made, especially for the CPAs and accounting firms. 90% of revenue of our company is coming from the services to CPA. We act as efficient and reliable back office to meet the bookkeeping and accounting needs of the CPAs and accounting firms to serve to their clients. All the CPA firms need is a reliable and efficient firm to achieve the objectives like significant cost cutting for the CPA and accounting firm, significant time saving as we provide overnight services. When you leave the assignment at the end of your day, we work overnight and keep the work ready by the time when the CPA is in the office next morning. Third one is expert and efficient services, as outsourced bookkeeping is certified pro advisor for QuickBooks Advanced Online and Desktop.